Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my video. See, I told you I was gonna post again. See, I'm trying to keep up, guys. I'm trying to keep up. But basically, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows. That's basically it. It's gonna be a quick video, but I'm also gonna tell you guys who is the giveaway winner. So I was doing a giveaway. It's over now. So if you missed it, peek on you. But I will be doing another giveaway once I hit 500 subscribers here on YouTube. So if you missed the last one, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Just keeping an eye out. But basically, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows and basically every single step and everything like that, what products I use, and pretty much all the little nitty gritty and everything about my eyebrows. So if you guys want to find out how I do my eyebrows, make sure you carry on watching. Okay guys, so I tried to get you guys as close as I could to my eyebrows, so you guys can actually see how I do my eyebrows. But basically what I normally do is by brushing my eyebrows first. Starting off with my eyebrow brush first, so it's just brushing it because I like that whole spread out, you know, kind of fluffy eyebrow look at the moment. Quite full and everything, so I'm just spreading it out. And I'm actually going to use that technique that's been going viral right now, where you use a soap and basically, you know, just wet it a bit. Okay, so you wet the soap and then you get a bit of the soap on your eyebrow brush, and then basically you just brush it through your eyebrows, and that's supposed to help it keep it in place, which this is why I am doing it, just to help place the eyebrows where I want it to be placed and everything. I know they look a bit crazy right now, but it's alright. We're gonna make it look tidy and everything like that. So at the moment we're just brushing it. It's just like this. Just like that pretty much. And then what I like to do after I've done that is I like to get small, kind of like a thin scissors. I like these ones. I don't know what these ones are called. Pretty sure they're called like peacock scissors, because they've got like a peacock design kind of a thing, and then the beak is kind of the scissors. But anyway, I like to use this to kind of trim around my eyebrows, so any long hairs that I feel like are unnecessary to be there, kind of just follow the line of my eyebrows, just like that. Just like that. And normally I go back with the brush again. I like to go on the other side. And now I'm gonna go into with my tweezers. So any strays where I feel like it doesn't need to be there anymore, like these hairs here, some of these hairs here, I'm just gonna pluck them out and everything. If you've got a razor, you can do it with a razor, whichever you feel most comfortable, but I'm just plucking it out with the tweezer and just help shape my eyebrows a bit more. Not gonna lie, it does make your eyes want to water. I just kind of just, and you'll see my eyes are starting to water already, but it's fine. So I've plucked as much as I want on it around the eyebrows. Going back in with the brush now. Can I just lift it up a little bit and just see if there's any stray hair that I feel like needs cutting down. I'm liking the shape pretty much. So now I'm gonna actually go into the eyebrow product. So I normally tend to use the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which in a medium brown, which looks like this. And basically I'm just gonna dab into that. And what I like to do normally is I normally start here and I kind of just brush upwards, and I just keep doing that until it fills pretty much. I just go down the eyebrows pretty much, and I kind of just follow the line. then just go back and brush it in, kind of like that. And then if I mess up, I like to go in with a concealer pretty much and just, you know, just tidy up a little bit. If not, I tend to just leave it like that. Just depends if I messed up or not. So I'm just going to be using this concealer by Thin Lizzy called Flawless Complex Concealer Creme. So this shade is called Beautylicious. So, you know, it's just going to get a little bit on the brush. I tend to use a flat brush. I've got an angle flat brush, so I'm just going to use that. And basically I just go in and just tidy it pretty much. Anyway, that I feel like needs tidying, I tidy up. I don't like to use a lot just because I feel like I don't really like that whole carved out look. So I tend to just use as small as possible, and then I try to blend it out. Okay, pretty much just like that. So if I wanted a more defined brow, I tend to, like I said, clean up with a concealer. If not, I tend to just rub the mess that I created, just rub it with a foundation brush and everything just to blend it out, and I just leave it as it is. But if I want it more carved, I tend to do this pretty much. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do this eyebrow off camera and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. So basically, as I said, this is how I normally do my eyebrows. The whole soap trend thing, that is actually quite new to my routine, so I don't know if I'm gonna stick with it or if I'm gonna change it or not. But other than that, everything else is pretty much the basics. So if I'm not tweezing or cutting, I just do the same old thing, brushing it upwards, filling them in, and then if I need to tidy, I tidy them up. But I am, because I used to have my eyebrows quite thin, I am letting them grow out a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. So I am loving this whole bushy looking eyebrow and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But now, you guys, I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner. So I am also going to record my screen so you guys can see that I'm not cheating or anything like that. Okay, as you can see, this is everyone that entered the giveaway, and basically some people either did an extra step to get a bonus entry, or other people, as you can see, have commented multiple times so that they can get more entries for the giveaway. So basically, I'm just gonna highlight everything. Oh god, hold on. Oh, everything is going wrong now. My phone doesn't want to work. Okay, so come on. No, I just want to highlight everything. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that, and basically I've already chosen, oh no, where is it, that. So basically I'm gonna I've already chosen the website that I'm gonna use for this giveaway. I've tested it out and everything like that. So I'm gonna put everyone's name on here. I'm gonna paste it, as you can see, and then I'm gonna remove that, and then I'm gonna start. And the winner for the giveaway is, there you go, that's the winner. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I am, like I said, put it on the screen. I am gonna contact this person on either Instagram or YouTube, wherever they put the comment, and then I'm gonna get them to send me their contact details to my not my personal email, but my CrissyBEA email address, so that I can sort that all out for her. If she doesn't respond in the next 24 hours from when I message the from when I sent her the message, I am gonna pick a second winner now. So if the first winner doesn't respond to me within 24 hours, then the prize will go to the second winner. I just want to repeat that, make sure you understand that. I'm not doing two giveaways or anything. I'm doing one giveaway, and if the person doesn't respond, then it's going to go to the second winner. So the second winner for the giveaway, if the first person doesn't win, is... There you go. So I think that is Roman. I'm not even going to try and figure out how to say the names, but as I picked two winners in case I picked another winner in case the first one doesn't respond within next 24 hours. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.